Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel. If you're tired of feeling like you can't leave the house without mapping out every bathroom, you're in the right place. We'll explore natural remedies, specifically herbs that have shown promise in calming those frequent, urgent bathroom trips. Remember, consult with your doctor before adding anything new to your routine, especially if you're already taking medications or managing other health conditions. Our first herb hails from traditional Japanese medicine, Gosha Jinkigan. This powerhouse blend of 10 different herbs has been used for centuries to address bladder control issues. Studies have shown that Gosha Jinkigan can significantly reduce those gotta-go-now urges and even nighttime bathroom trips. So, if you're looking for a natural way to regain control, this ancient remedy might be worth exploring. Let's travel to South Africa, where we discover buchu, a plant with a long history of medicinal use. Buchu tackles both infection and inflammation, offering relief on multiple fronts. You might be surprised to learn that corn silk, the silky threads from corn, can work wonders for an overactive bladder. Corn silk acts as a natural diuretic, gently flushing out excess fluid and soothing the urinary tract. So, the next time you enjoy corn on the cob, remember the power hidden in those silky strands. Let's talk about horsetail, an herb used since ancient Roman times. It's packed with antioxidants and can help strengthen the tissues of your bladder. Imagine it as giving your bladder a little workout from the inside out. This helps it function more effectively and reduces those unexpected urges. Saw palmetto often takes center stage in men's health, particularly for prostate issues. But this powerful berry can benefit anyone experiencing bladder troubles. Saw palmetto helps to fully empty the bladder, reducing trips to the bathroom. So whether you're a man or a woman, don't underestimate the power of the saw palmetto berry. Imagine a plant so clever it can gently cleanse your system and soothe your bladder. Meat cleavers, an herb traditionally used to support urinary health by flushing out toxins. Think of it as a gentle, natural detox for your urinary system, helping to restore balance. Marshmallow root, derived from the marshmallow plant, has been used for centuries to soothe inflammation. It acts like a protective layer, coating the lining of the urinary tract and reducing irritating sensations. Don't toss those pumpkin seeds. These little nutritional powerhouses are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, while antioxidants protect your bladder from damage. Pumpkin seeds are also believed to strengthen the muscles of your bladder, giving you better control. St. John's wort is often associated with mood support, but it can also calm bladder nerves. This herb influences the way your nerves transmit signals, including those that tell your brain you have to go. By calming those nerve impulses, St. John's wort can help you manage sudden urges more effectively. If nighttime bathroom trips are disrupting your sleep, valerian root might be your new best friend. This herb is famous for its calming and sleep-promoting effects. Valerian helps relax the muscles of your bladder, reducing nighttime urges and allowing you to get a good night's sleep. So there you have it, 10 incredible herbs that can help you naturally manage an overactive bladder. Remember, while these herbs are generally safe, it's crucial to source them from reputable suppliers and ensure they won't interact with any medications you're currently taking. Here's to reclaiming control and living a life less tethered to the bathroom.